We're here at the One-to-One Mining Investment Conference in London. Now, for those who haven't heard of your story, could you give us a brief introduction to the company?
Sure, thanks Rosie. So Plateau Energy Metals, listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange Venture Exchange under PLU ticker symbol. We have a lithium project in Peru that's very fastly grown from a medium-sized resource to a large resource, and we're on the path to an economic study very shortly.
So tell us more about the economic study and the sort of upcoming milestones that you're looking to achieve.
Yeah, so over the next few weeks we'll be looking to put out a preliminary economic assessment for our stakeholders to get a better understanding of what the project's worth. It's a very exciting milestone for us, coming from discovery just less than 2 years ago. And then over the course of the next 6 months we'll be looking to put out information on some of the other economic parameters of the project, like byproduct revenue streams, etc.
And I'm asking everyone this, what's your market outlook at the moment?
Market outlook has been a very challenging 18 months in the lithium/battery metals sector. We've come off of highs. All the equities are down across the board, which puts a bit of a subdued mood for people. Having said that, downstream, when you look at the car companies and the battery plants that are going to need lithium and other battery metals, they have not stopped investing. In fact, everything they've done is to accelerate investments. So I think the medium and long-term outlook is still very, very strong.
And so what is the key messages you're trying to get across to investors here at One-to-One?
I think it's really important at One-to-One is to look at the value of the company relative to the underlying value of the assets and the disconnect. And if you're taking a 2021, 2022 view and beyond, I think it's a very compelling time to find an entry point into some interesting opportunities like Plateau.
So what do you think differentiates Plateau from other companies here?
I think what differentiates us is we have a second asset as well, which is a uranium asset. For us today, we're not spending a lot of capital on that asset, but essentially there's two assets in one company, both in the energy metals space that are part of green energy transition that we're going through. And I think for investors, what stands out for us is our team, our board, and our projects. And we have projects that are, I say, projects with a capital P. Right? So these are projects that will ultimately become mines. We're confident of that.
And how have you found the One-to-One conference so far?
It's been fantastic. We attend all the One-to-One conferences, and they're always well attended. There's a good crowd here, and we're busy with back-to-back meetings.
Well, thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of the day.
Okay, thank you, Rosie.